everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be doing an unboxing for the November SoftFlex Company Mystery Design Kit. They make one out every month. They're super fun, and this one is jam-packed with holiday goodies, all featuring gingerbreads. So we have it here, and we're going to open this up in just a moment. And then their design challenge, we have to wait till the last Wednesday of the month before we can post our designs. And it shows a little bit what it comes with. We have some tiara cast, some fire polished beads, a custom Jesse James bead mix. Those are always fun. And then they have these that will release at the last Wednesday of the month. And then they have some special goodies that are kit exclusive. So let's see what's inside. Jam-packed with goodies. These little gingerbreads stand out to me right away. How cute. Wow, there's a lot in this kit. And I will leave a link down below in the description box. These are beautiful. I will leave a link down in the description box for these if there's any left or still available. They had them on sale earlier in the month. Oh, there's that custom mix. Oh, how cute, the little gingerbread charm. You really get a lot in this kit. So we will start with this. We have a 10-foot spool of SoftFlex in garnet, that beautiful color. Great for Christmas. Let's start with the bead strands. We have this bead strand here. And this one is exclusive to this kit only. It is a 4mm purple, white, and opal. That's pretty. And then we have this one, which is an 11x8 peach Czech Glass faceted rice strand. That's gorgeous. Beautiful colors. And we have some ceramic beads, and these are available on their website in different colors. And I did a tutorial with them on some cording that makes a great Christmas gift. So I'll leave a link down below for that video. And then we have some Czech Glass in the 7mm. This is my favorite size to work with, and they make a lot of cute designs with them. I'll also leave description or link down below in the description for that. We have this adorable gingerbread mix. We'll open that in just a moment. We have some seed beads. We have red and blue. Blue almost looks like little icicles. And then let's see what's in this packet here. So much jam-packed in this kit that it won't all fit on the bead mat. But we have the bamboo beads. Looks like 2 styles of those. Those are really fun for the holiday season. Everybody was making spiders. You know, there's a Legend of the Christmas spider as well. And this is a really great way with the bamboo beads. I know there's different colors on SoftFlex. I believe they have a green. But if you want to add dimension or kind of have that chunky bead look into your design, these are wonderful because they're super lightweight. Look at these, how cute these are, these little ceramic beads. These are a kit exclusive as well. Oh, how pretty. They look like the little candies that you could either put on like the garland or just like little Christmas candies. How cute are those? I love those. Oh, and then you have the Czech Glass. You have, so these ones, they're just calling striped ceramic beads. And then you have 7mm red and gold Czech Glass and 9mm blue metallic aqua Czech Glass beads. How cool are those? This just looks so wintry, so refreshing. This is such a fun kit. We haven't even opened up the JJB bead mix yet. Then we have our little findings as well. We can get them all to fit here. this one, they really went all out on their holiday kit this year. It's beautiful. If this kit is still available, I highly, highly recommend you order one because it's so much fun. Then they're sending us 20 count of the silver tubes in 2x2. And then we have all our little findings and charms. Oh, look how cute these are. Little ceramic gingerbreads. How cute. How cute they look with the pink. So cute. So we have 2 pairs of ear wires in silver and a lobster claw clasp. We have little houses, little gingerbread houses, and they are 2-sided. So we get 3 of those and 3 little gingerbread charms. And these are Tiara Cast. We're gonna miss Tiara Cast. They had some of the best products and so cute. So definitely hold on to these and cherish your little charms. So we have those. Move these out of the way and we'll get our bead mix out. See what's in there. So this is the Design Element Gingerbread. This one just kind of burst right open. There's a lot of good stuff in here. Look at that beautiful bead. Perfect colors. That would look really good with the ceramic beads. This is a fun kit. So we have these cute little gingerbread beads, little gold etchings. How cute. So it looks like you get 5 little gingerbreads. How cute that is with the other one. And then this cute, and it's 2-sided, this little gingerbread charm. And then some brown beads, crystals. Look at the pave beads. How pretty. Really have a sparkling season this year. How pretty. And then you have these ones, and they're 2 drilled. Those would be cute for like little earrings or maybe making an ornament. And then with that garnet color. And then you have some little findings and some mixed metals between gold and some bronze. Then these little striped beads. Green in there, some yellow, some bead caps. There's a lot to this mix. So that is our gingerbread design kit by SoftFlex Company. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for further unboxings and upcoming tutorials using this mix. Have a wonderful day.